Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. And today I have a really short video for you today, but a little simple DIY. Now I'm going to be taking these two toilet paper rolls and basically turning them into little chew toys for my bunny. So I'm just going to cut really simple things. Sorry, she's over there making a mess. Now you can use toilet paper rolls. They are safe for bunnies to chew on as long as they don't have any glue. As you see, these are pretty much glueless paper towel or toilet paper rolls. So that will be the best for them because obviously, you know, animals shouldn't have glue. Not good for them. So the first one, I'm just going to cut some little slits around the bottom and the top, as you can see here. And then I'm going to be actually filling these up with hay. So, you know, she can eat the hay that's inside, obviously, and then chew on the toilet paper roll, which is actually a good thing because she's pretty picky when it comes to, like, chew toys. I've bought her 3 different ones, and she really hasn't been liking any of them. So I'm hoping maybe she'll like these. I have one more to give her in hopes that she will like, but I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. And this one I'm actually going to turn into a little bird. Now, I'm not really going to measure anything. I'm kind of just going to wing it. Get it, bird? Sorry, I'll go home. I'm just going to kind of wing it, to be honest. But I'm cutting, this will be the head, these will be the wings, and then back here will be the tail. So I'm going to bend this back like this and cut little feathers for the tail. These two are the wings. One wing managed to get bigger than the other one, but oh well. And then this will be the head. And then I'm going to cut a little triangle for the beak. And then I'm going to do a little bit more cutting just to make things a tad bit even. Alright, and then there we go. It's a little bird-like shape. It doesn't have to be perfect. She's going to chew it anyway. Hopefully. Alright, and then these things I'm just kind of gonna spread out like this. Just like that, and then I'm going to get some of her hay. She's over there, she's so cute. Gosh. She knows these things. She knows when I have her hay. Alright, now let me get a better angle of this. Look, there she is! She's super excited. She knows I have her food. She knows. Let's move you guys this way. And like that should work. And then I'm just going to fill up these things with some of the hay, along with feeding her as well. Hi, baby girl. First, I'm going to give her some hay. Oh my goodness gracious! We're going to give her some hay so she doesn't climb out of the cage like that. I don't know if you could see that. We're just going to. And then I'm just going to take some of the toys and fill it with some hay. Just kind of like that, and then I'm just going to set that in there and hope that she likes it enough to chew on it. And then there's the other one, and there we go. Yeah, she has not been liking these other 2 ones at all, so hopefully she'll chew on those. So that was it for this video. Super short, simple video, but hopefully somewhat helpful to any bunny folks out there. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!